I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise X, and this is episode 208 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. Him and Jacinta answer the questions. We read the questions and the answers, and we take the cool, the funny, the lies, the myths, and we put them here for you. So on today's episode, we're talking about Carnival's not going to Costa Maya anymore? I don't know how to play the games in the casino. Do they offer classes anymore? I'm on the Venezia. The Steakhouse is sold out on the first night. What do I do? I'm in one of those ports where the Cheers package doesn't work on day one. Can I still get my free VIFP drink? And the Shirley Temple, is it included in the bubbles and the zero proof package?
And this is straight from the Yak's mouth.
All right, question one. This cruiser saw a cruise blog that said Carnival is no longer sailing to the port of Costa Maya, and they wanted to know if this was correct. John said they still have ships going there this year and into next year. But after that, no. Because Costa Maya Cruise Port has been purchased by Royal Caribbean. I don't know if you've been there recently, but I don't know if that was a bad call. I think it's a good call. I mean, it was fun, but I don't know. Not like it used to be eons ago when we went there. It's very commercial now, so Royal Caribbean, you can have it. Enjoy. I mean, I'm sure they're going to do some cool stuff. Just, it's an okay port. Question two. This cruiser said the casino should offer classes on how to play some of the table games, like etiquette and basic fundamentals. They've seen a lot of people want to give them a try, but they just don't understand how to play. For example, when the table is open during craps, or when to double down, or when to split during blackjack. John said he knows they used to do this years ago, and he's not really sure why they stopped doing them. He will make sure that the right people see this, and maybe they can offer them again. And I absolutely remember this. We've been cruising a while. So they would have a couple tables open before the casino opened, and it would be one of each traditionally. And they would have a little handout card on the tables that weren't open, or you can sit down at a table and play the game, if you will. And the dealers there would coach you as to what to do, what not to do per se, and like teach you how to play the basic game, like 3-card poker. We never knew how to play that. We sat down one day and said, we'll figure it out. And we have some nice people next to us that actually helped us through it. And we do the same to this day. We'll be sitting at a table, 3-card poker say, and people behind us are just watching. We're like, oh, you want to sit down? They're like, no, we don't know how to play the game. So I think that would be good of Carnival to bring that back. It was very helpful. It did help us learn a couple of the games. Craps, I still have no idea how to play. So if they had like an extensive course on that, it looks like fun, but I have no idea how to play it, so I just walked by it. So if you like to play casino games and you don't know how to play them, let's hope Carnival brings back the tutorials. Speaking of like, if you like what you see and you enjoy cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate that. On to question three. This cruiser is going on a Journeys cruise on the Venezia. And they've been trying to book this Steakhouse on the first night, but it's showing as sold out. They wanted to know if they hold out some availability to book when you get on board. John said the chances of spaces being open are very limited because the first night is always crazy popular because you get a free bottle of wine. Or if you're a solo cruiser, you get 2 glasses of wine. But you can always check on embarkation day at the Steakhouse just to be sure something may have freed up. So yeah, very popular night. First night, get on the boat, get some good steak, bottle of wine, but they're normally sold out, so book early. Question 4. This cruiser bought the Cheers package for the first time, and they know it's not effective until the second day of the port they are sailing out of. But they wanted to know, could they still get their VIFP free drink on day 1? And John said, yes, indeed you can. So you don't have to, I mean, if you hit 15, you're only going to pay for 14. So drink package, I know it's Norfolk, Texas, and I know there's another one I'm missing. So if you remember what it is, put it in the comments below. We would appreciate that. But due to state laws or whatever it may be, they're not allowed to use the drink package on day one, but you can still get your free drink. Last question. This cruiser asked if a Shirley Temple would be included in the soda bubbles package and the zero proof package. John said it would be included in the zero proof package, but not the bubbles package. So Liz loves the Shirley Temple when she was a kid. Got them all the time when she was hanging out with the family. Nowadays, since it's a virgin drink, she's like, I love the Shirley Temple with vodka. So things change as you get older, folks. That's been episode 208 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. Thanks for watching. Please take care.